Hey there, everybody. Welcome back for another Tuesday tip here at Kanga Roof. And what I wanted to talk about today is something that both my repair service technicians and myself and guys like Mason and my dad who are out on the replacement side of things come across on a regular basis. And it's really probably the number one question we get. Do I need a new roof? And the best way that I can ever equate this to a homeowner is kind of like cars. Well, we're here in Metro Detroit, Auto Capital, right? And the best way I describe it is this. When you have a car and it crosses 100,000 miles, is that car any good still? Well, of course, yeah, that car is absolutely still good. But it's probably going to require some maintenance, right? There may be brakes need to be replaced, tires need to be replaced, windshield wipers need to be replaced, maybe a water pump, things like that. Routine maintenance, oil changes, air filters. That's routine maintenance that allows you to maximize the longevity of your roof. And if you perform that maintenance, you're actually going to have that car go well beyond 100,000 miles, right? You could have cars that routinely go 150, 200, 250,000 miles if they're properly maintained. Well, your roof's really not any different. And just because the roof is starting to look old, or you see some streaking up there, or you actually had a leak, that doesn't mean your roof needs to be replaced. What it means more than likely is that some maintenance is needed. And some really common ones obviously are leak repairs, right? Especially on those entry points around your home. So like plumbing pipes, the white pipes you see coming out of your roof, your chimney flashings, skylight flashings, things of that nature. Those are really, really common maintenance items. Along with if you see the streaking up on your roof, well, that's just algae. And maybe you need a good roof cleaning to really bring back the luster and the color of your roof. Again, really common thing that we do here at Kanga Roof. So if you're worried and you're debating, do I need a roof, do I not? Hey, have one of my service technicians come out. They're going to do a full 26-point exterior safety inspection for you. They're going to show you everything, right? The good, the bad, the ugly. They're going to give you all your options too, what you have to do, right? What are those immediate threats to your home? What are things you could do? Hey, this would be great to do. If there's nothing holding you back here, all the wonderful things you could do, and they're going to show you everything else in between. That way you're making fully informed decisions. And just like cars, there's people who just don't want to risk it, don't want the hassle. It's why they lease a new car every 2 to 3 years. Hey, that might be you, and you just want the safety and security of a brand new roof on that home. Listen, if that's the case too, they're going to be able to help you with that and walk you through that process. So I encourage you, if you have any questions, concerns, now that the weather's getting better, you're actually able to see that roof, those gutters, siding, have us come out, do a full 26-point inspection. We're going to tell you everything. We'd be honored at the opportunity. I hope you have a great week, everybody. Can't wait to tune in next week with another episode. I'll hop into it on Thursday. Take care. Have a great day.